A lot of what we were saying in our conversation today was about how just talking about it is the first step. Like, just sitting down in a room together and actually talking about money kind of opens up these channels and plants these seeds in our heads about, like, oh, I could actually go and find the knowledge that I need to do what I want to do with my business.
There's a vast amount of resources. There's a lot of different people in the community that are willing to help, that can connect you with resources, that can help you understand your business's cash flows, availability for capital, tools that can help you succeed on the traditional finance side as well as the fintech side. There's just a lot of people willing to help small businesses. They get excited about having small businesses grow in the community. So you're not alone. Reach out, use the resources that are available to you.
We are focused on helping consumers understand that they also, their household is essentially like a business, right? And understanding how to run their household like a business, understanding cash flows, understanding net worth and things of that nature will absolutely help them on their personal finances, as well as give them the cash flow, give them the disposable income to then thrive.
Money is choice. So every dollar I have, I'm making an active choice to save it, spend it, invest it, donate it, hopefully not ignore it. Sometimes I have limited choices, sometimes I have limitless choices, which both can feel overwhelming. But as you build wealth, money is freedom and flexibility. It gives you more choices and to take more risks.
It is, and I think so often we just want to go to the strategy, give me the budget. That was me for a long time. Like, just tell me what to do. I don't want to look at that stuff because it can be hard. It can bring up a lot of different thoughts, feelings, emotions that can be, like, money can be really triggering of those things. So thanks for starting there.